Hi everyone. Many of you are approaching the first programming task, and I want to point out a few things to you so you are successful when you submit a programming assignment. So your very, very first programming assignment after you've installed Java in your integrated development environment is this student contact card. Now, where you're going to find this is at the end of the lesson. So you're expected to go through all of this, and it explains the different print commands. You do some practicing. You look at some lecture notes. And then you get to the last page, and I think this is where some people are not making it all the way to the end. You did the practice and you thought that that's what you submitted, but that's not the case. So your assignment instructions are actually embedded on the last page along with the rubric, and you need to submit a file called StudentInfoCard. Well, if that doesn't sound familiar to you, then you need to go in here and read it. So you're going to start from scratch, make a new file, a new project called StudentInfoCard. And you're going to follow these directions, put in the main method, but then here's where the guts are, and this is how it's different from Hello World. You're going to use print and println statements to enter all of these bulleted items. You need to use a print statement for every data field, and any additional data fields you think a student information card should include. Make sure your output is neatly arranged. And don't forget number 10, because this is worth 2 out of 10 points. Write a thoughtful post-mortem review to share with your instructor. A PMR is a reflection and should be typed in a separate file from the program. I'll circle back to that in a second, but for every time you write a program, go to the very end and they will show you what the output is, what they are expecting for your output. So here is some sample output. And you'll find me putting this in the teacher feed quite a bit so that it will draw your attention to what your output should look like. This will save a lot of time and frustration for you and I, me grading an assignment, finding that you didn't produce the right output, and then me sending you this picture. So like today, I'm going to put this picture in the teacher feed so you know what the output should be like. So let's go back one and let's see if they discuss the PMR in the lesson. I'm trying to remember if they do in this one. They do not in here, but I believe they do. I think they do in the Blue Jay part. I'll find it and I will get it back to you, okay? So that, oh, maybe, let me go one more. Installing Blue Jay. Okay, excuse me if I babble. I know it's in here somewhere. So you should have gone through all this. Here's a new class. Here's a quiz. All right, I'll find it for you. I know it's in here somewhere. Anyway, okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks.